When you invest in the stock market, your investment grows and then you're paid dividends from it. The same is true for yourself. So today, I'm gonna show you 6 hard skills that if you learn now, will pay you forever. Starting with number 1, learn to pick your friends using the social theory exchange. Before you make friends with anybody, you should evaluate them on this chart I'm about to give you to know if they're a good person or a bad person. To use this social exchange theory, you need to weigh the potential rewards from that relationship versus the amount of energy you put into it. If that balance tips in your favor, they are worth your time and energy. If not, you should not be friends with them. And here's how you're gonna apply it yourself. First, think of any friend you have and look at all the positive traits I have on screen right now and count how many of those does that friend have. Now, I want you to do the exact same thing for that same friend with the negative traits you see on screen right now. Now, take the number of positive traits that friend has and subtract the number of negative traits that same friend has. If their score is less than 0, bro, that's a low quality friend and you shouldn't be investing your energy into them. If they score between 0 and 5, look, you can see them here and there, maybe on weekends, but avoid trying to spend all your time with them. However, if they score above a 5, bro, that should be one of your best friends. They should be in your intimate circle and spend as much time as you can with them. This skill alone is gonna pay you massive dividends for the rest of your life, but that is still nothing compared to the next 5 hard skills I'm about to teach you. Number 2, replace everything you're used to doing in the mornings. Look, there's no perfect morning routine. There's only things you should and shouldn't be doing. If you do the right things, your mind and your body will pay you back a lifetime. If you do the wrong things, your mind and body will tax you for the rest of your life. So, to keep it simple, don't wake up with an alarm clock. Do wake up with the alarm on your phone on a soft ringtone. A loud alarm is proven to spike cortisol, which is gonna stress you out in the mornings. Don't make your bed. Do just unfold it. If you tuck the left side correctly and only lift up the right side as you sleep, in the mornings, you just have to unfold it back and you're right out the door. Don't start your day with coffee. Do wait 90 minutes before you take caffeine or start your day with water and lemon. Don't check your social media, as this is gonna lead to you just doom scrolling in the mornings. Do check your emails and texts so you can be prepared for the day. Don't shower for 30 minutes every morning. Do quickly rinse off using the Navy shower technique. Number 3, learn to get rid of motivation. As a man, the most important hard skill you can learn early is to get rid of motivation. You see, every time you start something new, like a hobby or a new girl, you have a phenomenon called the overcommitment effect. In the beginning, you overcommit yourself so much because of the motivation, you quickly burn out, which in turn always leads to bad or weak results. Instead, you need to start off slow in anything new you do so you can sustain yourself and actually deliver better results. And all of it will be through discipline and not motivation. The best example of this that's simple is skincare. Most people will ignore their skincare for years, and the moment they get a zit or wrinkles, they try to overhaul it with 15 different products to try to fix it overnight. But in reality, you just need 3 steps and you need to start slow. First, you need a good face wash and make sure it has salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is a beta-hydroxy acid that penetrates deep into the skin, which in turn helps unclog pores and prevent breakouts. This is why you need it in your face wash. In fact, studies show that salicylic acid not only helps get rid of acne, but it also helps prevent future breakouts. Now, the best face wash I've ever used is from Geology, and that's for a reason. I've been using it for 5 years now because they've won every single award you can think of, from Men's Health, Men's Journal, as one of the best grooming brands in the market. Geology delivers all the basic products guys need. They don't overcomplicate things, but they deliver it with the right formulation. Their everyday face wash has 2% salicylic acid, and it is hands down the best one you're gonna find in the market to get rid of acne without breaking the bank, especially because you're coming from your boy. And I get you a 70% discount, bro. So if you wanna level it up, click the link in the bio so you can get that code and check out Geology. The second step, you need a good moisturizer. However, this one should contain hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a humectant, which basically means it attracts moisture from the environment and retains it close against your skin. In fact, hyaluronic acid can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. This is why it's so good at keeping your skin hydrated and looking amazing. One study published in the National Library of Medicine found that if you use hyaluronic acid regularly, it improves skin appearance and removes fine lines and wrinkles. And of course, I'm gonna recommend Geology as the best moisturizer because there's a lot in the market, but they're expensive, especially when they have hyaluronic acid. but Geology's moisturizer has hyaluronic acid and is crazy affordable, especially if you use the 70% discount I'm getting you. It's the most affordable one you'll find, and this one also won an award for already being one of the best ones in the market. So it's not only that it's affordable, you're getting the best quality you can find. Plus, it also has SPF protection. So when you use it every day, you're not only hydrating your skin, you're also protecting your skin from the sun's harmful rays. And the cool thing with Geology is that it gets delivered to your door every month. So once you subscribe, you're getting a crazy discount. Plus, you can have a skincare system that gets delivered to your door easily. And the last step you need in your 3-step system is retinol. Retinol is a derivative of vitamin A. This is one of the most well-researched ingredients in skincare. It works by stimulating collagen production, which is the protein responsible for keeping your skin tight. Yes, Geology does have a retinol cream, because I'm gonna make it easy for you, bro. I'm not gonna send you to 3 different brands. That is a headache. If you want one brand that's not expensive and gives you everything you need, it's always Geology. I'm gonna have Geology linked down below, plus a 70% discount code. Grab those 3 products I just mentioned. Build your skin routine. Start slow and watch just how much your skin's gonna improve. If you guys wanna check it out, it'll be linked down below. Number 4. Stop reading self-help books. You need to stop trying to read all the self-help books everybody recommends to you. Instead, find 1, 2, or 3 that are really good and then read them over 2, 3, 4 times. The reason for this is that when you get self-help books, for you to truly understand the concepts and retain that information, you sometimes have to read them 3 to 4 times. So, to make it easy, if you don't know where to start, I'm gonna give you the 5 books you should read at least 3 times over. To master the basics of personal finance, you should read The Richest Man in Babylon. To master your mind and build resilience, you should read Can't Hurt Me. To master social situations, you should read The Laws of Human Nature. To master your emotions and always stay in control, you should read The 4 Agreements. And to master your body, to build an aesthetic physique, read The Squat Bible. At this point, all of those skills, if you implement them today, will pay you for the rest of your life. But there are 2 more, and I left these 2 for last, because if you apply these, bro, your brother is setting you up forever. Number 5, replace multitasking with single tasking. Multitasking, it's gonna make you lazy and forgetful. Single tasking will make you focused and productive. And no, this is not just my opinion, this is science. During a recent study, researchers had 46 young men perform multiple tasks, such as working out and solving math equations. The researchers then analyzed how effective they were at completing the tasks in short-term memory. They then had them repeat the tasks, but this time, doing them at the same time. And here's what they found. When men focused on a single task instead of multitasking, they improved both their short-term and long-term memory, as well as their reaction time and their ability to focus. In short, single tasking makes you more effective than multitasking does. So, I want to show you 5 areas in your life that you're probably multitasking and you shouldn't. When you're studying, you usually listen to music with lyrics. Don't do that. When working out, you usually listen to podcasts. Don't do that. When reading, you like to check your phone and read your notifications as well. Don't do that. When you're working and you're focused, you also like to be checking your emails. Don't do that. And finally, when you're talking to someone, you'll usually have your phone on the table as well, so you can keep an eye on it. You don't want to do that. You learn to single task, and that one hard skill is going to pay you forever. Number 6, schedule your day using the Harvard time boxing technique. There's 100 different productive techniques you can use, but according to Harvard, there's only one that is truly powerful. It's called time boxing. In fact, it is so powerful, it is what almost every single billionaire uses every day. And here's how you can do it too. First, you can grab a sheet of paper or create a template on an online document. Then you're gonna create 3 columns: top priorities, brain dump, and time frame. Next, I want you to write down everything you wish to complete in the brain dump column. Then I need you to write down everything you must complete in the top priorities column. And then in the time frame column, you're gonna plan out how you're gonna complete your top priorities, and then you're gonna schedule them around your needs. Doing this will pay you for the rest of your life, because you will efficiently use your energy and time to complete everything you set your mind to. You do everything I taught you in this video, bro. I'm setting you up for life. They may seem like simple habits, but implement them for the next week and just watch how your life just gets easier